Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to talk in English with short sentences. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. वो मदद के लिए बुला रही है. She is calling for help. She is calling for help. मैं आज ऑफिस नहीं जाऊँगा. I will not go to office today. I will not go to office today. मैं हारने वाला था. I was a loser. I was a loser. मैंने जीतने की कोशिश की. I tried to win. I tried to win. तुम कैसे जीते? How did you win? How did you win? उसने मुझे जीतने दिया. He let me win. He let me win. बात करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. No need to talk. No need to talk. मेरे पास इसका जवाब नहीं है. I don't have answer for this. I don't have answer for this. उसने मुझे रुलाया. He made me cry. He made me cry. ये सड़ा हुआ है. It is rotten. It is rotten. मुझे ये कलर पसंद है. I like this color. I like this color. मुझे ये कलर भी पसंद है. I like this color too. I like this color too. तुम्हें कौन सा कलर चाहिए? Which color do you want? Which color do you want? कोई भी चलेगा. Any color will do. Any color will do. ये काम मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Leave that to me. Leave that to me. मैंने सोचा. I thought. I thought. वो काम होने दो. Let that work be done. Let that work be done. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a headache. I have a headache. तुम्हें यहाँ सब कुछ मिलेगा. You will get everything here. You will get everything here. सब कुछ मेरा है. Everything is mine. Everything is mine. तुम मुझसे क्यों मिले? Why did you meet her? Why did you meet her? तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you tell a lie? Why did you tell a lie? क्या खुशबू है? What a smell. What a smell. तुम्हारी मौजूदगी में. In your presence. In your presence. मुझे शक है. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. दाईं तरफ चलो. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. अगर आपने इस वीडियो से कुछ नया सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर